Hey guys, so this is EliteBook, HP EliteBook 840 G5 or G6. We are gonna replace the keyboard on that one. I had already ordered the keyboard and I have received that, so I'm gonna show you how we can replace the keyboard on this guy. So let's do that. So here you will see there are two screws, one for keyboard here and one for keyboard here. You will see KB here and KB here. Okay, this is gonna be, these are the two places where you have to unscrew the keyboard. And I've already taken out the keyboard, but I will show you how you can take it out and how you can put the new. So I ordered one keyboard from Amazon for the same model, and for G5 and G6 840 it's the same. Okay. Here it comes with everything. This is the backlit and with the pointer. So there are different models. There are some, those are without pointer or without backlit. You can choose, like the price depends on what you're buying for. Okay. There you go. This is the keyboard. This is okay. I think it does not have one cable goes from here to there. Let me see if I have the other cable as well. 1 second. Yeah, so I have the faulty keyboard. That keyboard is missing one cable, and this is the cable that you need, that flex. Just detach it from the old keyboard. Okay. Put this one here. Let's see if I can take this thing. Put it in this. We can just put this here straight. Yes, and 14. Okay. This is going to go to the motherboard, and this is going to go to this. Let me put the tape because I broke that little piece. of these are done. So you see, like this side is gonna go first, and then you can press this all the way. The keys, make sure they're all keyboard all set. Okay, now next thing, put the keyboard screws back. Backlit. I don't know if you can see the backlit is on too. And that's gonna start. Screen, the display, you can see. And let's check the keyboard. This pointer is working as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day. We'll see you in another one. Bye.